Good morning from the Chardon Weather Center. I'm using the 6Z GFS this week to illustrate what I think is going to happen for my friends in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, and even Virginia. This is for Sunday afternoon, or should I say Saturday afternoon today, and we have a rather mild, tranquil pattern with a little storm system passing to our north, and we'll be on the warm side of that. So everybody should be normal to perhaps a few degrees above normal in this general area today. And this will also hold on to the same effects for tomorrow. So Sunday should be more or less the same. It's not until we get to Monday when some real changes take place as some true Arctic air building up in this part of Canada spreads to the south, bringing the first significant widespread lake effect snows of significance, I should say, to many downwind from the lakes from Lake Erie and Ontario, Michigan, Huron, and even Lake Superior, of course. So on Monday afternoon, this map showing a strong Arctic front moving through the northern Ohio and headed toward Pennsylvania, and this is going to bring the big changes I was alluding to, and there could very well be advisories and lake effect warnings. Oh, excuse that interruption. Excuse those interruptions. The presidential staff needed to know if I had any good friends from in IT that could help them with the healthcare site. But unfortunately, my friends are busy working on their floors and they don't have time for that. So getting back to the weather, this is a Monday afternoon again, and it's the Arctic air with the snows on the lee sides of the lake. And let's see how it looks for Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, we have the Arctic front passing through the eastern seaboard, and as it passes through, it certainly could spark off some rain showers, changing quickly over to snow showers, perhaps a snow squall. Even down in Virginia, my good buddies might see a quick coating to perhaps an inch in spots. Now, also would apply for everybody in this general vicinity right here who could see a coating to an inch in spots, especially in the higher terrain. This is Tuesday night, and as you can see, the front is cleared, and there's still going to be, depending upon the fetch coming off the lakes, there could be some pretty decent snows with temperatures in the 850s, some 12 to 10 degrees below centigrade, I should say, below zero. And with the lakes being around 50 degrees, that spread of some 20 or so degrees will cause a lot of instability, and that will relate toward some pretty decent snows and perhaps snowfall rates of 1 to 2, 3 inches per hour in the down lake vicinities on the lee side. On Wednesday, it's still rather chilly, especially on the eastern coastal plain. But as you can see, the warm air is starting to make its way back into the picture in western Ohio. So this is going to be a quick shot of cold air as there's nothing blocking in this general area to stop the cold air and keep it in place. So Wednesday, the temperatures will still be below normal for many in eastern Ohio through PA and New Jersey and Virginia. On Thursday, things have warmed up quite nicely, and it could be a few degrees above normal for many from Ohio into Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Virginia, and even Delaware. And we just have a rather quiet, nice pattern with light winds, and it's going to be rather nice. On Friday, we have some clouds increasing and a chance for a few hit and miss showers in northern Ohio. And another bit of a cool down is likely for next weekend in the north. And we'll talk more about that next week. Thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.